And sometimes it's like, okay.
Visiting Jeremiah's greenhouse. At the entrance, it's well worthy, as always. Beautiful biblis there.
Oh, and so it's like trying to get
And we'll see more in the back. Scrub Jay keeps hiding under the car. There he is. Alright, so for those who are on Patreon who are vying for the Velosa or the Ventricosa Cross Velosa Cross, I don't know if this is the parent, but it's, you know, the same species. An absolutely gorgeous animal, creature. Look at that thing. So yeah, that crossed with a really fat red Ventricosa, it should be amazing. Back in the Highland corner, there's pictures hanging everywhere. I love it. Whatever truncata cross that is, it looks amazing. One of these Gothica, I think. That is fantastic. So much stuff. Looks like the Spectabulas Hamada, something like that. And all the Velosas. We got the flowering Rigula here. Looks like the flowers are just kind of shutting down here. It goes all the way up there. Huge plant. I need to plant my seeds still for that. One of those famous ones, Chaos. Sibling to Crown of Thorns. I'm not entirely sure where that one is, but this is gorgeous enough. Got some Sidicina. I wish those would grow like that for me. Gorgonius. Drosophilum. I need to plant my seeds. Oh, beautiful Catesbii. Hello, let go. Thank you. Look at these. Gorgeous. There it is. The Crown of Thorns.
Yeah. I don't think so.
That is beautiful. And we've got the second greenhouse here. Fly traps, which I can never grow. And his other set of Sarracenia. So we'll poke around and get some special photos here. See what's going on. Alright, I'm going to take videos of this minor Pilosa. One of those that is way out of my price range, really. But I want one so badly. They look so funky.
And it is.
Look at these things.
I mean, I would love.
It is hairy all over the place. I love it.
But with limited space,
they are gorgeous. That Sarracenioides over there. That is beautiful. Look at those lids. And so I'm not entirely sure what this thing is called, but my god, that lid is huge. Look at that thing.